Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log into your Juno crypto trading platform from your smartphone. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you are connected to internet and head over to your preferred web browser. Once you are on your browser, tap on the search bar and search for Juno crypto login. In the search results, you'll see the official website of Juno.finance. The first option says login to Juno Finance, so tap on it. Now you will be taken to the login page of the Juno crypto platform. In order to log in, you must have already created your account before. If you haven't, you can easily create a new account by tapping on this open account option. After you create your account, you can use those credentials over here to log into your account. Tap on this email address field. Now enter your registered email address over here. And right below that, you can see the password field. Tap on it and enter your password for this account. And once you enter your credentials, here you can see the sign in button. You can tap on it and you will be logged into your Juno account. After you are logged in, you can explore the features of Juno crypto website and do your tradings. So that's it. That's how you can log into Juno crypto platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.